Hi guys, welcome back to my channel AussieBhau, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove the adhesive or sticker residue completely from your steel or glass utensils. For this method you don't need any heating, hot water or not even a hair dryer. As always, if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. You will need a paper towel or a napkin or cloth rag. You also need few drops of any type of cooking or vegetable oil which you can easily find in your kitchen. To start with, place a few drops of oil on the sticker residue and spread it uniformly so that it covers the whole sticker. Once that is done, leave it for about 15 minutes. After a few minutes, you will see that the sticker has started to come off slowly. Now with a small cloth, start gently scrubbing the adhesive off the dish. Keep scrubbing till you see any residue left. Now you can almost see and feel that the sticker is completely removed. Give a quick wash using any dishwashing liquid and wow, look at the final results. The dish looks good as new without any visible sticker residue. Clean as a whistle. So, from the shabby looking sticker on the dish, which no one likes to see, to a completely clean and spotless look in just few minutes. Thanks for watching this video and please give a thumbs up if you like the video. See you next time.